What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another creek fishing video. And today I got another little challenge for us. Let me go ahead and get down here into the creek. Alright, so like I was saying, we got a little challenge for us today, and what we're going to be trying out today is the Trout Slayer kit. Now in this Trout Slayer kit, it comes with a couple of 164 ounce jig heads. It comes with this black and red flaked willow crawl. It comes with this like watermelon red looking crawl. It has like an original color or like an Alabama crawl looking color. It has this white crawl, and then it has this junebug color looking crawl. And today I want to try to catch a fish on every single color. Now I have tried these original colors before, but I haven't tried these four at all. So this is how I have it rigged up. I just went through the tail and out like where the mouth would be, where the pinchers start. And let's take our first cast right here. See if anything will hit it. I do have a video of a largemouth that I caught yesterday, but it's not going to turn into a video because I didn't really catch that much. So I'll show you all that real quick. I feel like if I could get this bait, there we go. Oh. There we go. Got one. That's a bass. Oh yeah, it's a good one too. It's a good little bass. Look at that. There we go. Oh man, that water's cold. Woo. There we go on the Kitech swim bait. That's not too bad. I'd say he's about 14 and a half inches. All right, we're gonna let him go. There he goes. Looks like they wanted it too. It's got a red horse almost ate it. Oh, there we go. I got one. There we go. First fish on the natural color. There we go. There we go. First fish on the natural looking color. And it's a little smallmouth. He is really hyper too. But there we go. We're gonna go ahead and put him back. There he goes. All right, so next we have the watermelon red on. There's a little sunfish right here. Oh, got one. There we go. Oh no, he came off. I'm gonna try to go up here on this little bluff and see if I can't dangle it over this deep hole, see if anything will get it. Come on, somebody eat it. Oh, got one. Oh, look at this. It's a little rock bass. Oh no. We got a little rock bass. Look at that. Oh. Oh no. Man took the escape route. Now I feel bad. Alright, let's see if we can get anything out of this hole. Wasn't able to get anything out of the other holes. Hoping I could get something here. Oh. There we go. Got a small. Oh, no. No. I had a smallie. Oh, is he gonna eat that? Oh, he ate it. He ate it. Yes. Nice. Oh, I gotta get him. Yes. There we go. Nice little smallie. That was on the watermelon red. Thought I wasn't gonna get another bite on that one. It's been a slow day. Very slow day. It's been about like 30 minutes since I've caught a fish. That's why I got so excited for that one. I said I put the black and red flake on. Alright, well I'm gonna head downstream a little bit, try to get to our next hole. Alright, so we're coming up to our next spot, right out of this shallow current. We're gonna throw in this little hole, see if anything will come out. Oh, something just hit it. There we go. Look at this. There we go. We got a little sunfish. Oh no, that's not a sunfish. That is a pure bluegill right there. Look at that guy. Cool. Toss him back. And that was on the black and red flake. Now we're gonna switch that out. So I found some dogs. Hey puppies. Going for a little swim. Now where y'all going? So I'm pretty sure there's someone that lives up in these woods up here, and I've never seen the dogs, but I guess they have dogs. When I saw that big one coming around the corner, I was like, oh man, I'm screwed. Oh, there he is. So I have just switched to the junebug color. And if you go to fish creeks that you don't really know, or even if you do know, try to take something with you for protection, just in case something happens or you get caught up in a situation. Oh, got him. Oh, no way. Couple sunfish trying to eat it. Oh, got him. Got him. Got a little rock bass. There we go. There we go. Little rock bass. Man, they really like this junebug. Eat it, eat it. There we go. Got one. There we go. Man, that's a bigger rock bass. Look at this. Look at this. Oh my goodness. This is a decent rock bass. The dogs are back, but that's a big one. Oh, there they go. Into the fishing hole. Well, it's their creek as much as it's my creek. But we did get this little rock bass. You shouldn't say little, he's pretty big. Got the, but I've switched to the white crawl. See what that does. And this is the final color that we need to catch fish on to complete the kit. And I actually think I can get it in that same hole. The puppies are back. Hey puppies. Look, the brownish dog doesn't even move its back legs. It actually has them hiked up. That's funny. He had it for a second. Got him. Got a small one. There we go. I watched him eat it. There we go. There we go, and it completes. Well, that completes the Trout Slayer kit. And man, nice little smallie. Oh, so I ain't got to worry about that anymore. I am going to take a couple more casts though. Well, if I don't mess it up. Oh, no way. Well, I guess I'm not going to be continuing because I have no more line with me. Alright, so now I'm using just my braid since I broke off my leader. I still want to catch a fish or two. Let's see here. Something's hitting it. There we go. Look at that. Look at there. Oh, green sunfish. Not too bad. So we didn't catch a lot of fish today, and we also didn't catch really big fish. But that wasn't really the main goal today. I wish I could have caught more fish, but it's been really hot out of nowhere. And it somehow turned the fish off a little bit. That or they're hitting at different times. But the point of today was to try to get a catch on each one of those covered lures. And we did that today. I think it was a pretty good little micro challenge. Anyway guys, I hope you liked this little micro fishing challenge, and I will see y'all in the next one.